Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw some Godzilla-themed Dino Nuggets. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now, starting here for our Godzilla Dino Nugget, let's begin with the head. So I'm going to begin by drawing a line that's going to come up, over, and down. Then I'm going to draw this line out. We're going to come down and then over here. And bring this line down a little bit, and then we're going to curve out and bring it over here. And that'll be the little arm. We'll draw down for the body. Then we'll come down here, we'll go out a little bit, and bring it back in. And that'll be kind of the leg. Next, I'm going to make some little spikes. So I'm going to kind of go up and down and up and down. Do the same thing here, up and down, up and down, up and down. Do another one here, up and down, up and down. Then I'm going to curve this line up, and then we'll curve it around and bring it back here for our little Godzilla Dino Nugget. And then what I like to do is add some little kind of broken lines right along the face and the arm. We'll do it right here on the leg and then a little bit on the tail. Kind of give it more of like a 3D look. Next, let's do Kong down here. So I'm going to begin by making a little line that's just going to go up and down. Make a little line that comes out on each side. I want to make a line that's going to come up on each side for his arms. We'll curve this around and down. Same thing here, curve this around and down. Then we'll bring it down on each side. Then we'll come down and then up. And then same thing, down and then up. Then we'll just connect it here. Then right here, let's make a little broken line on this side and on this side. One here and then one here on the legs. Now let's make a little Mothra one up here. So I'm going to start here, and I'm going to begin by making a little bump. Little line across, and then another little bump here. I'm going to bring this down on each side, kind of down and in. I want to make this line come up and then down. Same thing here, we're going to go up and then kind of bring it down. I'm going to bring this line down and up, and then this line down and up. And then we're just going to go down and up here for the body. Then we'll do a little broken line here, and one right here. A little broken line here, and then one here. We'll do a broken line here, and then one here, just for a little bit of detail. And we'll do one right by the face. Then what I like to do is I just like to add some of these little kind of bumps in here. They're almost like putting little smiley faces all around here, just to give it a little bit of texture onto our little Godzilla Nuggets. So we're just going to kind of put these all over, these little tiny smiley face shapes all around here for a little bit of texture. And there you go, there's your drawing of some Godzilla-themed Dino Nuggets. If you'd like to see more of these with different characters, definitely let me know and I'd be happy to draw them. But thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed.